What's up, everybody? It's Chinna Kelly here. So right now we're cooking some barbecue chicken. Now we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper on it to give it some seasoning. As you know, whenever you're eating chicken, it's about that flavor. So you try to give it that flavor that you're looking for. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoned salt. So I'm not trying to use any kind of like brand specific kind of ingredients. I'm using pretty simple ingredients that you could find at most convenience store. So in this case, I'm using the seasoned salt. There's no specific brand that I use. I like just having flavor, so I add that seasoned salt. Now I'm adding some crushed red pepper on it, and that's because I like spicy, so I add a little bit of spicy on it to give it that kick, that spicy kick. So that's the main thing. Whenever you cooking your chicken, you just want to make sure that you add the flavor that you like. Right now I'm using some powdered garlic powder, and now we basically whenever you're gonna make your chicken, you want to make sure that you wash it before you season it or anything. So you could use either lemon or vinegar to wash your chicken. So what I did, I put the chicken in some olive oil and let it cook down. Then I took it out and then I replaced it in a pot. And I'm gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. Bonus, the barbecue already has its own ingredients, so more added ingredients, which is pretty good. So now we're gonna basically stir it up to get the barbecue sauce all over the chicken. Give it that barbecue taste and look. So as you can see, this is a pretty simple ingredient that you can incorporate in order to get a simple barbecue chicken. So there we go, and this is the finished product right here. As you can see, it looks delicious and it tastes delicious. All right, don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all. Peace.